I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of the extraordinary beaches of Pineda de Mar, located just outside of Barcelona. This charming coastal town is home to some of the most stunning beaches in Spain, and I can't wait to show you around. But before we get started, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please click the like button below. It really helps me out and lets me know that you're enjoying what I'm creating. Alright, now let's get back to Pineda de Mar. This picturesque town is situated on the Mediterranean coast and is known for its long stretches of golden sand beaches and crystal clear waters. It's the perfect destination for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of Barcelona and soak up some sun and relaxation. As we walk along the beach, you'll notice the stunning coastline with its jagged cliffs and crystal clear water. The waves are gentle and inviting, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. And with the town's warm and sunny climate, it's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the beauty of the Mediterranean. As we continue our walk, you'll see that Pineda de Mar's beaches are truly exceptional. So if you're planning a trip to Barcelona, be sure to add Pineda de Mar to your itinerary.
Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!